I know, it's pretty rough looking, isn't it? It's hard to believe I'm going to be moving into this space in 3 days, but I am. I'm going to be keeping you posted on the progress of DIY green loft reno. So today I'm up a ladder cleaning the cinder block, the top part of these walls, and also the steel girders. They were all dusty, so up on the ceiling, and of course the top layer of all the pipes were just you know, an inch thick with dust. So I thought I was going to be able to put some paint on the walls today. My brother and I yesterday put a coat of primer on all the walls, so they're ready to go for paint, and I may get around to that this evening. And as soon as construction guy has left and taken all of his tools and stuff, I will be able to then paint the floor, and I'm going to paint this other feature wall over here as well. Right there, that wall's going to be painted, and the kitchen is going to be fantastic. You're so going to want to come and play with food and stay a while. So I'm going to keep you posted here. It's looking a little rough, but it will get better as the days go by, so stay tuned.